Good evening. This is Attorney Robert Geller. It's Monday, April the 6th, 2020, and I wanted to prepare just a little short update video for my clients about some particular things of concern and some questions I've been getting over the last month or so about things related to the pandemic that we're all unfortunately experiencing. So, the first thing that I wanted to talk to you about is the stimulus money and the checks or the money that you may be getting. Um, the good news is that I don't think that you would lose your stimulus money whether you're filing a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Of course, if you have not filed yet, go ahead, get your money, use it for your living expenses and everything that it was designed for and intended for. If you have already filed the Chapter 7 recently and expect to receive the money, every indication I've received from the Chapter 7 trustees is that you'll be able to keep the money. They're not going to ask you for it. I don't really think that they want to have or be the subject of a press conference about a bankruptcy trustee taking money that Congress intended to help people out through this very difficult time. As far as Chapter 13 clients, again, if you're in a 13 and you expect to receive the money, I don't anticipate that the trustee will be asking you for that stimulus money either. This is not 100% guaranteed. It is in the code that potentially it could be property of the bankruptcy estate. Congress did not exclude this money specifically, but I really don't think you're going to have a problem, and I have received that information from some of the trustees. One other thing that I would like to address is, of course, some of my clients have suffered a loss of income, either reduction in their hours or they've been laid off during this difficult time. If you're in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy currently and you are having to make plan payments, I have received some calls or questions from clients about what they should do about making their plan payments. Unfortunately, in our jurisdiction, the Middle District of Florida, the Tampa Division, the court has not come up with any specific plan as to how we can deal with the reduction in the plan payments. However, that doesn't mean that there isn't anything I can do for you. What that really means is that the court's going to consider each thing on an individual basis. So what you need to do is to reach out to me, and we will set up a phone conference, and I will discuss your case individually with you and help determine, what we can possibly do for you. And so, speaking of how you should do that, the best way to do it, number one, is to go through our Practice Panther portal if you've used that in the past and send the message through that. Second best way would be to send an email to clientservice@robertgellerlaw.com. And the third best way would be to give us a call at 813-405-1507. And what we will do is I'll probably get a message and I will send you a secure message through the portal setting up a time to talk to you where I can go through and your entire case and give you some information and help you evaluate the options. So that's what my Chapter 13 clients will do. Hopefully, this video is finding you all healthy. I'm fortunate enough to say that my staff is all healthy and keeping very busy. You all have a great rest of your day and a great week. Thank you.